Wala naman may video dito.
Video na
Okay.
Good day, Chief. Good day, Third. We are here to conduct a toolbox meeting.
So why we are doing the toolbox meeting?
We're going to conduct a toolbox meeting because third engineer noticed a high temperature of our main bearing on cylinder number 6, which is 85 degrees, that exceed its normal temperature. That's why I requested you, Chief, that to shut down the engine.
So that's the reason why you guys sent us on the engine. Okay, start the toolbox meeting.
Okay, so to start the toolbox meeting, so first is safety. We should wear a personal protective equipment or PPE. Then turn off the breakers, the pumps, the motors, and also close the valves and put a lockout and tag out to prevent unwanted start up of the engine. And also to inform other personnel, especially the bridge, that we are conducting an operation on the engine. And with regards to the operation, we should understand and read the manual and follow safety procedure and precautions.
So what about the tools?
So regarding the tools, sir, so the tools which is needed, such as the specific tools or required for our operation, are already prepared, as well as the spare parts are prepared also, which is ready to be used.
With regards to the operation, Third, I assigned you to open the crankcase doors, open the test cocks, and also to engage the turning gear so that we can start the crankshaft deflection measurement. But before that, we should lower the rest by following safety procedures and safety precautions, such as in the working area, we should ensure that oxygen content is 20.8%.
So what about the permit?
So regarding also about the permit, sir, so we already have the valid work permit for the operation, such as the enclosed space permit, which is already signed and achieved by you, sir, the master, as well as the company. And with regards also for our documentation, all the necessary papers for our operation that will be conduct is already we already have, such as the record of the job, the fill-up maintenance form, as well as and if necessary, I will be the one who take pictures for our operation, which is be helpful for our for future reference our operation.
So that's all, Chief, about our toolbox meeting.
Okay, then start the question. Yes.